Hello everyone, this is her name is Namy lulamoon. Learning is earning. Computer science is what we are going to learn today. And in computer science, we are going to learn PowerPoint presentation. But are we going to learn about what are the PowerPoint apps are there and all those things? No. We are going to learn how to create a PowerPoint presentation in PowerPoint 2016. First, we need to go to Start. And after going to Start, or instead of going to Start, you can go to Start and pull down and down and down, and you'll see PowerPoint presentation if you're on a laptop. And on a computer, if you go to show that and this, and there's a lot of things. But instead of going to Start, there'll be a little rectangle, long and tiny rectangle, not that tiny, but small rectangle that will say type here or something like that. And if we click that, you can type in it. So if you put PowerPoint, you'll go to the PowerPoint page. You'll get the PowerPoint app, and if you click it, you'll get to the PowerPoint page, and it will look like this. Then after going to the PowerPoint page, we should select a theme to start our presentation. You can also choose a blank presentation without any theme, or we can just search for a theme over here about that. But I don't want to make it complicated, so I'll make it easier. So we'll just take some themes over here. I'll take gallery because I like galleries. So let's create by putting we should create it by clicking on the create button which comes in this page. After clicking the gallery, then after that we get like this. This is the screen we get. So over here, first we need to add a title. So for that, we should put click to add title, and then click to add title. Then when we click it, we can start typing. So after typing here, we should click to add a subtitle, like by Namy lulamoon, by a random name, or today this is my favorite project, this is my very first project, like that. Then we should type here. So I did by Namy lulamoon, as that's my name. So anyway, then we should click back to hello. Actually, we should have done before it, but I am doing after doing the subtitle anyway. It doesn't matter. So we should click back to hello. So after clicking, you'll see this that there'll be an outline, and then the outline will be dotted. We don't want a dotted outline. A dotted outline means no changing of fonts. So we'll click on the dots on the outline, the circle white dots. So after clicking, you can change the fonts. But before that, if you want to change the fonts, do you need to know what symbols and what says to change what? Yes, we do need to learn that. So let's learn that. So first, this girl stands empty, you see, right? Doesn't matter, but there'll be a text overlay like Calabrian, Algerian, whatever style it is, okay? You can change style by putting this triangle arrow, and after clicking you'll see a lot of styles. You can put Joker Man, you can put Arial and all those things. Then you see this B is for bold. You see I is for italic. U is nothing but underline which has an underline under it, and S with a shadow is a shadow. Then above you see something that I marked in pink, and I said that is size. Do you understand anything? No? Then let me explain. Of course you don't. Then you see this white box with a number. There'll be any number like 18, 20, then even 21 or 96 like that. You can change it directly. If you are there in 18, the size is there in 18. If you put this arrow, all sizes will come. You can just directly put 96. So that will and you can put any size also. We can just click on the white box instead of the arrow and type on it whatever number you want, and that size will come also. But When you see the A and A, the larger A and the smaller A of the of the same case, with the bigger A as having an arrows looking up and smaller A having an arrow looking down, you might think a lot. There's nothing to worry about that because the larger A is nothing but increasing size, smaller A decreasing size. So you can increase size by one. Like first I'm there in 18, then I'm changing it to 20, but then to 22, like that. Small and small and small it will change, but and it will go higher. But the smaller A, opposite. If you're there in 20, if you're there in 22, then change. If you click that, it will go to 20. Again click that, it will go to 18, like that. Then you see below something that I marked in yellow. That's nothing but a B, C that has been struck through with a line. Yes, it is a strike through. And when you see these things, you know that you have realized that till now, whatever I thought, you must have realized that I have put in the font style for every single thing that it says. Like for style changer, I have put in style change. For size changer, I have put in the size change for in many things. For S, it is different size, and an I is different size, and a Z is different size, and a E is different size. And bold, I have put in bold and bold, and italic in italic, underline with underline, shadow with shadow, and I have put in strike through with strike through. That's and you can find it with what it does with its name itself. So here AV and there is not a line segment, a line with its arrow facing opposite to each other like a line. And that's not a line. That's arrows only. And that is spacing. So if we follow that line and we space between it, it's spacing, yeah. But do you see that all these spacings of all the other ones are so normal while the spacing name is so tight? Because I change the spacing into tight. You can change it by very loose, tight and normal. And we can change it to other things if you have another laptop or something like that. But I don't know. But in this triangle, if you click it, you will get those options. Then you see this big capital A and a small a. What is it? It's a case changer. That's why it's there in different cases. So here, the case changer, the first letter is a Pega C. You see, that's because I choose a case changer. So first I wrote it as small c, everything small, CASE, then CHANGER. Then I used the case changer. Then the first letter of the first word changed into a capital letter. Then you see that blue color thing that I've marked that has an A above one red color, which means the font the font has been set into red color changer. The font changer has been set into red color, but we can change the font changer into yellow, blue, green. And as I have set in red color, I also clicked it with the word color as selected, and then the word color changed into red as the font changer was changed into red. But what's that? There's something marked in green with an A and with an eraser. Does it erase all the letters? No, it doesn't erase any letters because it is nothing but clear font styles. It erases all the fonts. Like if we put style, bold, italic, underline, shadow, then strike through spacing, case changer, color, size, everything you have done. Okay. Then we put clear font styles and everything will come back to optimal situation, which is nothing but normal situation. So I'll change a lot. I've used forte as a style, then I used bold, italic, then underline and shadow. And I changed it into 90, the size is 96. And now, after changing the font, I need something that makes the text moving. So what makes moving? Animations, of course. So we need some animations. Let's go to this area with animation. You click that. After clicking, you see this animation column between the advanced animation and preview. And there you will see this box, white box, and near those there will be 3 arrows. One up arrow, one down arrow, and one arrow with a line and a down arrow. So we click the line and the down arrow together. That's that box icon, and when we click it, we get it like this. We'll get none, entrance effects, then emphasis effects and exit effects, and we'll get more entrance effects, more emphasis effects, more exit effects, and more motion paths. There's even motion paths when we scroll down, but I don't want to go through a lot of difficulties. I'll just explain what is all those with a light slide, a little, I mean, and I'll start the entrance, not the end passes and exit and motion parts and all. You'll get confused. So none is nothing but no animations. That is what which is already done. It will be automatically none only. So in entrance there'll be a lot, and what in entrance is nothing but the animation which comes when it appears on stage or when it appears on the slide. So we'll say call it as stage. When it appears on stage. And emphasis is nothing but when it is performing on stage, the animation that comes when it's performing on stage. And exit is nothing but when it leaves the stage, it performs. And motion parts is nothing but when it's performing on stage, instead of staying in one place, motion parts make like a shape. It is the thing which you're going to animate will go and make a shape by going on a motion. Like if the word is over here and you need a rectangle motion path and you choose that. And after that, when you go to the slideshow, the word will go up, then side, then down, then side. And that is what is called as motion path. But I don't want to deal more with it. So today I'll just go with entrance. So in entrance, there is appear, fade, fly in, floated, split, wipe, then space, wheels, random, ask, go and turn, zoom, swivel and bounce. And in this, you see that below there's more entrance effects. If you see in that, there'll be a lot of entrance effects. Whatever you want, you can choose. But now, I'll just choose from these ones, which are there on the screen right in front of my eyes. So I choose bounce. So after choosing bounce, I want my slide to have some effects, not just my text. So I go to transitions, which will give the effects that will come between two slides, like the first slide and before the start of slide. I choose like there is some there it just cuts it in half and comes like this. The first slide comes, it cuts the black half and it comes to the first slide, and it cuts the first slide off and it comes to the second slide. It's like comes like that. So let's see. And over here you see preview, transition to the slide, then timings. In that you should check the transition to the slide, which is between timing and preview. And there'll be a white box. In that white box, there'll be 3 arrows like the animation curve box. And there'll be up arrow, down arrow, and a line with an arrow. And that line with an arrow box is what we need to choose. So let's click that. After clicking that, you'll see a lot of transitions actually. That will be subtle, exciting, and dynamic content. In subtle, it's nothing but normal transitions like cutting it, like it just comes and appears, or fade. The first slide just fade on, or push. The slide goes, the slide which is seeing goes up, and the next slide comes, or wipe. The it comes like a wipe. It wipes the first slide and comes, and split. It splits the white first slide and comes, and it gets revealed from the first slide, and it comes from random bar, which is like the bars like just fade away, and like they fade away from bars. And slide goes up, and the slide which you need to see comes. And shape. There'll be a shape like a circle or triangle or any shape. There'll be even diamonds. So that shape, the shape is nothing but the before slide. That shape will come off and remove the before slide and come to the slide which you need to see. And then uncover, which is nothing but the slide will be removed, like uncovering something, and you will see the slide, and then we'll cover. That is nothing but the slide which you need to see will cover the slide that was before. And then flash, a flash will come, and then everything will be white, and then you see the slide that we need, and that is subtle. I can't explain everything so I'll just say what are the names. So exciting, follower, slide followers, drapes, the slide drapes, curtains, the slide goes like curtains of course. Then wind, the slide goes like the wind is blowing it away. And prestige, in prestige it's like pulling it. They'll prestige it with goodness, like they love it, so it's opening for the first time. And when they cut the ribbon, they'll just open it right like that. Then then a fracture, it's like you tap it a hammer and you will get a fraction as a gas, right? It comes like that, but no, without no any hammer. Then crush, it will crush the first slide and throw it down. Then you see your slide that you need. Then peel off, it will peel off the slide, and you'll see the slide you need. The page curl. Page curl is nothing but when you open the next page, you'll see that it goes like over. For this page goes like that and that. So this slide will be cut in, will be like a half. It'll be calculating as a half and a half like a book, and the one half will be the first half will go to the other half bending, with the short sides bending like folding an airplane, and then you will get your slide. Then an airplane. There the first slide will change into an airplane and zoom off, and you'll see a slide. Origami. Origami is nothing but the slide, the slide will change into an origami, like it will change into a bird. It will change into a paper bird and it will fly gracefully. Then dissolve. It will dissolve the first slide and the second slide will come. And a checkerboard. The first slide will change into a checkerboard and the second slide will be seen. Then blinds. It will blind away. The first slide will blind away, making way for the second slide. And then clock. In clock, it will go like a clock, a circle. Then you'll see your second slide. Then a ripple. It's like water. When you pour a little drop of water or something like a small thing, you see a ripple, right? That is what it will come. It will be like the slide will suddenly ripple and you'll see the next slide. And then honeycomb. In honeycomb, the slide changes to a hexagonal shape, rectangle which has hexagons, and hexagons will disappear, and you'll see the slide which you need. Then glitter. So the slide will change to glitter and it will disappear. That's all. And the vertex is the most exciting of all. What it does is first the slide is there, then boom without any sound, but I'll just give sound. Then all the slide will be turned to pieces and pieces, and you'll see black. Then again, you'll see another pieces, and you'll see your needed slide. It'll be wonderful. It's like going to another vortex. Then shred. It will shred into the first. The slide will. It is like it goes into a shredding machine, where the first it is cut into half and it is separated like this, and then again when it comes back it changes to another slide. And switch, it just switches, and flips. And gallery, it's like you see a photo and then it just moves like that from right or left like that, and you see your whatever you need. And a cube, it will be like a cube outside of a cube. Then doors, it's like opening a door. Then box, inside a box. Then comb, it's like the slide is split into two, and it'll have black and white like things, and it'll split like that. That's all. Then zoom, it'll zoom up, and random means will come. This anything will come in this exciting things. And in dynamic, there'll be pan. That is nothing but panning it. Ferris wheel is like a Ferris wheel. Conveyor is like a conveyor belt. Then rotate will rotate only. Then window is just like a door, but instead of a door, the window will spread smaller like a window, while the door will be bigger. Then orbit, it'll like orbiting the Earth orbits the Sun. So like that, the slides orbit something. Then fly through, which means it like a zoom. At this time, it will go. This zoom will come outside, while fly through goes inside. So it flies through it. That's all. So that's all the explanation. But what I want to do is curtains because it is professional and exciting. So I chose the curtains. Then you see that cup. It's like a cup with a stand and a play one. That's nothing but slideshow from the beginning of icon actually. When we click it, and this is how it happens. The curtain comes. I'll show you a video at the last of the slideshow. So you do like that, and then, but where's the text? It comes up and bounces, and then this is how it looks like, the text over there. Then we'll go to we'll be there in the same transitions, but now we'll see the timings. The timings, that's sound, duration, apply to all, and all those things. But what we need is now a sound. So when we put sound, when we see sound, there will be no sound. So near that, there's an arrow. If we click it, you'll see a list of sounds like no sound, then stop previous sound, then applause, arrow, then bomb, breeze, camera, cash changer, cash register, chime, click, coin, drum roll, explosion, hammer, laser, push, suction, then typewriter, voltage, then whoosh, wind, other sound. So I'll choose drum roll, like it's the starting of something. Then Then we'll go to home, and then after going home, we'll go to slides. In that slides, there'll be layout, reset section, and new slide. And we need new slide. Near new slide, there'll be a small arrow, and when we click it, we'll see this one. And there we'll see title slide, title and content, section header, to content, comparison, title only, blank, content with caption, picture with caption. So I'll choose title slide. Even though I don't need the title, I'll just choose it because I don't want to make a blank presentation, blank slide. So anyway, now that's how it looked. And then let's go to insert and insert. I want some images, so I'll go to the images column where you will see picture, online pictures, then screenshot and photo album. I'll go to online pictures, and over there I'll see insert pictures, and there down below Bing image search and OneDrive personal. I don't want OneDrive personal, so I'll just go to Bing image search, and I'll click that. When I click that, we'll see this page, and where there'll be a typing area. So when we click it, we can type it, and after typing, we should click the icon. Or if we don't want it, we want to clear it, and again do it. We should click the X near the search. So let's click it because I've done it correct. So let's click the search. So over here it says that Creative Commons with Creative Commons license, and above it says Creative Commons only, which means that it only the pictures of Creative Commons only comes, and all the picture comes. So if we want all the pictures, there you see a show all results button. So you should click that. After clicking, you'll see all the pictures. But is that all? How can I see all the pictures? You might think. Easy peasy. See there. There'll be two arrows and one rectangle, white rectangle with one gray rectangle. That gray rectangle is the scroller. If you touch that, if you click that and hold it, press it and hold it, and lower it with the other finger, then you can scroll down, and higher it with the other finger, it will go up. So scroll up, scroll down. You can do that. And when I scroll down, I saw something I liked. So when we put our key near the picture we like, we'll see an outline, black outline with its size and its name, and there'll be one small box. It'll be like a square, and we should click that so that we can select it. Now it shows select one or more items before I clicked it, and after I clicked it, there'll be an arrow on the box, and one item selected will be set. And after that, we can put insert in it. Then we can adjust the size after inserting this by these. The center ones, I mean the ones that are there in the center and the sides, like this one and this one, increase the sides in the side, and the upper and lower, that's it in the lower, upper and lower. This corner ones, increase the size in the corners. So that's all. So I increased it. But should I stop it with the for picture? Maybe I need more. But before that, I need a new slide. So I'll go to home and I'll put new slide. But this time there's no need for this arrow. I'll just click the slide icon on, and that another title slide comes because the slide which we chose already was saved, and it will come again when we click the icon itself. So again, now we should go back to insert, but not images this time. We're going to put a video. So we'll go to video, and there you'll see online videos and a video on my PC. So I'll choose video on my PC, and then Over here you'll see insert video, there in the up is the title, so we know what we are having this box for. So over here I want to choose the introduction video of Namy Lulamoon introduction video. So what should I do to that? I should just click on that video, and when I click it, you will see that the introduction video, the name of the video comes here. Then all I do is put insert. See, insert. Then the video gets inserted. For saving this file, all you need to do is to click this icon, or you go to File, then you'll go to Save As, and go to Browse if you don't have a folder that you're searching for on the display in this PC. Then you can go to Browse, and I want to select Computer Science folder, and that's what I did. And I'm saving as hello. As hello, but I don't need it, so I'll replace it with this, and that's all. This is what it is. Rest is yours to explore. So why don't you? But didn't I promise you that I'll be showing this whole slideshow to you? Yes, I'll show you. Let's see it now. I said let's see. Which means now I'm showing you. Okay. So let's go to slideshow. That was the drum roll that we inserted. Then, what was the text? As only by name lulamoon. Let me put next. Oh, see how the hello bounces happily. Then here's a picture that we inserted. Then our video. Let's play it. Hello everyone, this is Hariniyam, and this is Hariniyam's Namy Lulamoon. And today I'm introducing myself. In my channel, I'm going to teach you the 6th standard grade portions, that is Math, Science, Social, Hindi, which is L3, and English. Please subscribe to see my video. I think that's enough of those videos. The video that I showed you is not the right video anyway. So please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell, ring, to get notifications when I post some videos. And don't forget to change it into all so that you can be the first one to see my videos if I post one. And then, if you like it, please like it. And if you love it, please subscribe it. Don't forget to like it and share it with your friends so that your friends can also enjoy the world of learning with Namy Lulamoon. Learning is earning. And they could subscribe. Thank you.